The L series air end is an oil-cooled, lubricated and sealed compression element comprising of a 5-lobed male rotor and a 6-fluted female rotor. Both rotors are supported on heavy-duty bearings mounted in a rigid cast housing. The rotors sit in a bath of oil which both seals and cools the rotors. As the rotors turn, air becomes trapped between the lobes and flutes of the rotors and is sealed by the surrounding oil. The volume of the trapped air is reduced as the rotors turn and force the air along the air end. In turn, this increases its pressure until eventually the compressed air exits the air end in the form of air, hot oil, and some oil vapor. An integral oil filter ensures lubricant quality is maintained throughout the process. Upon startup of the compressor from cold, the incorporated thermostatic valve enables oil to bypass the cooler until normal operating temperature is achieved. When the oil temperature is below 70 degrees Celsius or 158 degrees Fahrenheit, the bypass valve remains open and all oil is ported straight to the air end. This ensures that the compressor reaches its optimum operating temperature as quickly as possible, which eliminates risk of condensate forming inside the air end or separator. Between 70 and 90 degrees Celsius, or 158 and 194 degrees Fahrenheit, the bypass valve progressively moves to its closed position, providing a partial direct flow to the air end and a partial flow through the oil cooler. When the oil reaches its operating temperature of 90 degrees Celsius, or 194 degrees Fahrenheit, and above, the bypass valve is completely closed and all oil returns to the air end via the cooler. A high swept volume per revolution, coupled with closely controlled clearances, ensures that this air end provides maximum air output for minimum energy input.